Tarakeshwar, I'm Nikhil's father. That's it.
Hi, Satish here. I'm Dakshay's father.
So,
I am Nikhil, I'm Tarak's son.
and that's
Dakshay,
Satish's
father.
Okay, so what's up guys, and you guys know this already, but to all of you watching, this is not your normal Chronic Nirvana show. Today we thought we'd do something fun. We came here for dinner and then we're living Dakshay's worst nightmare. That's what happens when one of us is honest with our parents, the others isn't. So, I know I'm putting you under the bus, I'm sorry.
It's fun. I mean, Satish and me, we always wanted to do this for a long time. So,
I don't know if Mr. Satish looks very enthusiastic. He's just more like shit. Why am I here in the first place? Called this Tarak to my house and now he's screwing my life over. Finished first last time into Damakins.
I'm just confused at the moment because I just want to tell you like how you got caught today out of the blues while having dinner.
See, we can say
some of your basic instincts came out.
Ria Bindra asked both of you, what is your proudest achievement to date?
achievement.
Yours. Funny
yours.
story.
Priya Bindra is asking you.
No, asking you. We haven't achieved anything. We haven't. No. What is the proudest thing you have achieved in your life so far, apart from? I can't make such explicit jokes.
Apart from what happened in 1991.
Hello. To think that I was no, the sad thing is.
98 or 97?
No, I was born in 98. It's sad to see that after 7 years of working, this is the best thing that they have produced now.
There is a huge R&D problem.
There is a big R&D problem that needs to be addressed. So, what's the proudest achievement? I'll let you go. What's your proudest?
You must go for it.
Don't think very hard, very difficult.
No, you can tell me what's the proudest thing that your achievement. Any one of them. It doesn't have to be the most. One of the most, and even that'll work. Also, put a story saying we're doing this shit.
What did you?
No, you would continue. This is.
Let me think.
You put us on a spot now.
This is producer chat.
We are wondering what to think now.
Because we never expected.
Even Jyoti is like, okay, even if at least I was a good child, right?
Sorry, I can't think of
No
it.
proud achievements.
No.
Uncle, come. Uncle.
No, how much ever we scratch our head.
There's too many achievements.
They are overloaded with
overloaded
achievements.
with
Nothing to
achievements,
pinpoint
yeah.
and talk about.
I know, which
For
one?
all intents and purposes, my procreation was the best thing that they've ever done. No problem. Okay, Abhishek Kakera wanted to know, how does it feel to have your engineering son and lawyer son come here and do shit in front of a camera and nothing related to doing engineering at all? How do you feel right now? Proud, angry, disappointed? What is your answer?
This is what we expected. Any case, nothing to happen because whether it is a law or a lawyer or an engineer, end of the day, that was all. It was all done because we said so, not because you guys wanted to do.
What is something that you guys have done and you haven't told your parents about it yet?
Vishal.
Oh, okay. I just saw your message. What's up, bro? That's exactly what I'm thinking. Okay, let's go. So, special request from Vishal Menon, who actually cared enough to call. I love you, man.
Thank you. That's nice of you to call, Vishal. Thank you so much. Mano, they came to know later on their own. I didn't tell them.
Okay, what is
but
it?
They came to know when I started doing two things. One is Tanya Dikkarade.
What is Tanya Adikarte for the general
Okay,
audience?
for the general thing is having a drink without my brother was a criminal. Okay, he was if you have an elder brother in the house, it's very easy. Because all the nasty things you do
First. He'll do first.
He'll do it first. So one fine day he tells me, Tarak, let's have a drink. I said, कैसे? कहाँ से मिलेगा तुमको दारू? He said, what nonsense? There is daru at home. I didn't know. I know where Appa keeps the drink. I will go and get the drink for you. He went and he picked up that brandy bottle which Appa had long time back.
Brandy?
He had brandy. He had brandy. From what? Driving the car.
Oh, he didn't know you drove the car.
He didn't know. He didn't know that I could drive. I was just 16 years old.
Usually, drinks was a big thing in anybody's life.
Correct.
Right? And that time onwards, everybody was against these drinks. There was no technology, there was no nothing. So all of us bunched up together. You will see some of my friends are in Dubai as well. We bunched up and said, what is this drink? Let's have a drink together. And everybody is talking about getting high. So these guys went and brought a couple of bottles, and I didn't even know what drink that was. And they said, we have to get high today. I am drinking and drinking and drinking. Nothing is happening to me. These fellows are all
We can
swaying
smoke.
and going around. I am still drinking.
Some
no reaction.
Absolutely. I didn't know what is the meaning of high.
So you were perfectly
I
alright.
was perfectly alright. Then one guy is telling me, this guy is a PC's man, don't give him more, we are only wasting money. So from that day,
He's not getting high.
he is not getting high only. I took my vehicle and I went back home and parked the vehicle in the garage, and next day I had to go to for a call somewhere, and I casually went off. I went in the bus, finished my duties and everything, and came back. After I came back and I came and noticed that my motorbike was totally smashed. I realized that, oh,
I'll do it.
is this the meaning of high? And I was kind of totally complexed. What is this?
You don't know what
Right?
it is?
What is that?
High means something different in 2020. We'll get to that in a second.
We'll get to that.
Go on.
Yeah. So when I came home, I kind of realized that, oh, is this the meaning of high? And when I noticed this, actually that day I came back properly, parked the vehicle in the garage, and I took cab, auto rickshaw, and went off for duty. The next day, my uncle had taken this vehicle of mine. He had a drink with his girlfriend, and if I see, came back home, both of them are lying in the bed, totally smashed. Then immediately I called up my friend and said, hey, you guys wanted me to go high, but unfortunately these got high and they screwed up my vehicle completely. So that was a real shocker which happened during my younger days.
So, but the other thing was, when it came to drinking, my uncle, my mom's brother, was my guru.
Okay.
My mom's brother was a big time guru. He was a guru. Absolute guru. He will teach me everything what is not something.
If you're in Bhakti Lounge and you're watching, trust me, this is something gurus can also do. You know, they don't always have to talk about philosophy.
No.
They can tell you the philosophy between and the synergy, not between life and Atma, but between whiskey and dark cola. How it actually works.
In fact, philosophy started only from that.
Imagine getting drunk and discussing Bhagavad Gita would have been a fight.
We did that also. Me and my brother, we did that also. Discuss Bhagavad Gita in length after finishing the entire Jodi.
Vishal said that high has a different meaning. Not just in 2020, high had a different meaning in the 80s. Only these uneducated people don't know what the difference is.
In the 60s when the Wright brothers invented their first airplane, and then
They went high, right? Exactly.
No,
They're spoken like a true lawyer. Spoken like a true lawyer. No, but
there is also this weed.
weed high is the only high. That is
But for us, liquor was also high. No. In my case, I used to get, sometimes I got high completely.
Full
completely
jump.
knocked. And then I don't know how I managed to reach home also. And then for a long time, I was sleeping in the bathtub.
long time.
When we came to Chennai, we were moving around all the places. So when we came to Chennai, North Madras, they used to have this North Indians, and they'll have bhang. Shivratri.
Yeah, Shivratri bhang.
So Shivratri bhang was first introduced to me. Okay. So one of my friend said, let's go to North Madras. I said, for what? Just come, man. So we went in scooter. Okay, don't ask me what happened to the scooter. We still don't know what happened to the
That one
scooter.
came to my garage.
Bhang was not in calcified in liquid form. It was in solid form.
Oh, like a paste.
Like no, like a ball.
That's hash.
No.
That is,
Yeah.
that is hash. Yeah.
That's hash.
Yeah.
It is was it brown? Like,
No, it
was
was
it?
broad. We had that also.
Yeah, that's
No, actually speaking, we had multiple things that I must have started with bang, but ended up with Aziz.
That was a bit wild.
Bang, normally they put it in bida and
Bida,
bida.
yeah. That was a bida.
Yeah.
They put a bang in that and they had. And the entire time we were laughing, we were making fun and all that. And then we were making fun at a police guy. Okay, for what? We were not making fun, we were just laughing.
No, but
laughing.
when you're high, everything is in fun.
So what happened? First of all, we are not supposed to come on the two-wheeler. Okay. But then what happened? We found one bakra who actually took us. Okay. And what happened to our vehicle, we still don't know. My mother was very smart. She will immediately catch me. If I drink, if I have anything, immediately she'll catch me. Then she said, what did you do? Sometimes just little bit I had. No, I don't think so. This is not what you normally have. This is something else that you have. I wish I knew what I had.
No explanation there. Not once or twice. Long time he was knocked out in the bathtub.
I was knocked out completely and I was happily sleeping in the bathtub. So this happened to me quite.
Was this around near or around the time Amma was secretly contemplating divorce, or was this? What stage was this?
That he was doing even before that.
Like from day one. How long have you been contemplating? 1991. When did you get married? 1991.
1991, May 26, May 27th.
It was all the May 27th. You wake up like shit.
Big family concept, no, is everywhere. Because that grandfather of mine had no clue what he was doing. Make babies like each one at 20 babies.
Naturally, that's a full-time entertainment.
Exactly. So anytime, and that too, my grandfather had two. If one had her odd days, the other. So he kept alternating.
I wish this was there. The ideas of America they will have.
There was a backup plan.
There was a backup.
अरे आज नहीं है तो क्या है? वो है ना.
Basically, back then, Plan B wasn't a contraceptive, it was an option. So this is quick, okay? I know we went into stories a lot, so we're going to make things quick from now on. We're short on time.
Yeah.
Quick things is favorite whiskey cocktail. Uncle, you first. What's your favorite whiskey
My
cocktail?
favorite cocktail is Bloody Mary.
Okay.
When I fly Emirates, I have one drink for sure.
Very good. Same thing.
Yeah.
Auntie is going to have a long talk and then
She knows. And the first time I got married and I brought her, I gave her a champagne.
अरे क्या बात है क्या बात
I wanted to drink a champagne after boarding the flight.
क्या बात?
Because
And
it was
not
like, you know,
champagne, huh?
Champagne.
Champagne.
I had once, it was so miserable. I said the whole world is going gaga over this shit. And I gave it to him. So he had that also. Then he said, okay, I'll order for you a Bloody Mary with vodka. That came and that was more horrible. I said, here, take it. You enjoy
क्या
this.
बात
He drank everything and Satish was flat in the
अरे
floor.
पाव में oh that's very sad.
So definitely I like Bloody Mary.
Bloody
If anybody
Mary.
is serving me Bloody Mary, slightly spicy, I'm in for it.
In fact,
What's yours?
For me, always I had this fascination towards this sex on the beach.
Did you have it on the beach? Or the drink? How did you tell me Marina Beach was the place for?
Because he had it in the bathtub.
Better Nagar.
Next time when you go to Besant Nagar, no, don't be surprised some fisherwoman is running and coming.
My son. Yeah, we're going to get real Slim Shady out on YouTube with the lyrics.
Two requests to this.
Pranabhadra, we're doing this for you, bro. Like,
Pranabhadra, why do you want to do this with us?
Yeah, you're complicating your life. Why do you want to do this to Eminem, bro?
In fact, it will be the worst thing for Eminem Power. I feel bad. Pranav, I think I know you. Why are you doing this to me after so many years of knowing each other? That is not.
we'll just do one paragraph because I think that's traumatizing enough for everyone.
Yeah.
Like, we'll do
2 lines is enough.
Especially the live audience.
You'll embarrass us with 2 lines only.
Do the chorus, that's that trick.
That is better.
That's not the
We'll
point.
sing with you. Yeah.
I know.
First of all, those words should be understandable by us.
Okay. One by one, Appa, go first.
Wait, why is it not?
Music in this.
Okay.
We will both sing together.
Okay, sing
Kalas,
together, no
please.
problem.
It should be
Not sing, read.
Just read.
It's the return of the half. No way. Doctor said nothing. You idiot. Dead. Not.
Feminist.
Women love. Anyone. Tick. Look at the flipping though. Yay. I probably got a couple screws and my head loose to us. Going on. Marriage. Bedrooms. What is it? this green Ram.
My mom.
Yeah, kids expect you.
I don't know what woman.
I don't know.
Do like this action.
What was?
Madam, I repeat for the
Cannibals. Whatever. Antelopes. Hey, you're screwing all the animals here.
I got the one.
Woman.
Oh, woman has yours.
Pantyhose.
Appa can't see, Appa can't read, nothing.
He's reading the wrong one. I'm reading the right one.
Advaita, I wanted to ask you guys, what is your ideal version of a daughter-in-law? What sort of daughter-in-law would each of you want for us? It's a very intellectual question.
Wow.
I asked her, are you interested? She's like, why? Advaita.
Did you ask her to ask or she asked?
She herself asked, then when I asked, are you interested? She's like, no, I have boyfriend only, Biril Macha. I respect, bro. You keep it, no problem.
I would like a daughter-in-law to take him and go.
No spoon feeding. Nothing.
No, one way. No return.
But yeah, I think all those questions that were asked were pretty much answered over here, and we're looking forward to doing this again. Dakshay not so much. I think he's
I'm neutral.
he is one with this idea.
enough
But,
live experience.
but no, we've never done this before. I think this is awesome. Thank you guys so much for chipping in with whatever ideas that you had, and we'll
Thank
do
you,
this.
guys.
We'll do it,
guys.
Thank you.
We'll definitely try and do an alcohol version of this at some point, just to
next
make
time we'll have it with Daru.
and we'll make it easier to deal with this trauma to get ideas. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for the next episode of Chronic Nirvana dropping again this week. So, take care.
Bye.